Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for Cortana settings. So basically, Cortana unfortunately is not available in a lot of markets, but it is still available in many markets. And if you don't have Cortana available where you are, you can actually enable Cortana by changing the location of your computer and just choosing, for example, English United States, for example, or English UK, and it's going to work. Now, there are some settings for Cortana, and the way to access all of these settings is to go into your Settings app, and there go to Cortana. In the Fall Careers Update, Cortana has its own set of settings, compared to the past where basically you just had to kind of go through the Cortana search box. The first settings that you will have, that we will look at, is the Cortana command. So here, for example, you can have Cortana respond to the Hey Cortana command. So you see it here, it just responded to me. So there's an on-off switch. If you don't want Cortana to start automatically, you can turn it off to make sure that it actually never starts. Sometimes you watch a video on YouTube or on the internet, somebody mentions, watching this video, and I just gave the command, so you might have your Cortana that actually has responded to my command. Then you have keep my device from sleeping when it's plugged in, so I can always use the Cortana. So basically, if you have that checked, it won't go into sleep mode, because you'll always have the possibility to ask for Cortana anytime, as long as your computer is plugged in. Cortana has, of course, more things that you can do. So you can have respond when anyone says the famous command, or try to respond only to me. So basically, if you choose that, you'll click Learn How I Say Cortana, and basically it will have you kind of train your own voice with your PC to try to prevent somebody else's voice from actually having Cortana start up. Now, personally, I've tried this option. It somewhat works. It did respond less, but it did respond to some other voices, so it's not perfect for sure. You can have Cortana listen to the commands with a keyboard shortcut. It's by default off, but if you want it on, then you'll have the Windows logo on your keyboard with the letter C together to actually kind of have Cortana listen to you. There's the option to use Cortana on your lock screen. So if that is on, it means that when your computer is locked up and you're on the lock screen with the time waiting for you to log in, Cortana will be able to work also. You also have let Cortana access my calendar, email, messages, and basically what that is kind of giving Cortana the possibility to go through your emails to the calendar and have the ability to interact with all of that. Some people don't like that. They say, well, Cortana is snooping on me. Well, you have the option to remove the check mark, which means it won't listen, it won't look at anything in your calendar, emails, or messages. So it's basically something that you can remove here, and when the device is locked, it won't have the possibility to show you, oh, you got a calendar event, or you got an appointment today, or whatever. So right now, you see here it says Cortana is using my English Canada, but you can choose other languages if you want and check out what is available. It's available in Spanish, it's available in English, it's available in French. I'm not really sure on what other languages possibly, but this is kind of a language preference. But you'll have to choose one that is in a country that is provided. So for example, if I would choose Spanish, well, it's not the Spanish of every country that has Cortana working. You'll have to select specific countries in your Spanish to have it working. Like English works in certain markets, but not every English market. So you'll have to choose that, of course, and be in a market where it works. basically. And finally, get to settings fast. Here you see when Cortana is on, you can ask her to change settings for you. So basically, you'll be able to have commands that they are just giving you as bad information. So that's the basic settings of Cortana. Now you might say, where's the on-off switch for Cortana? Yeah, Microsoft doesn't let you in the settings anywhere turn off Cortana. It will give you the ability to lower the amount of interactions, but it will not actually have it turned off. There is a trick to turn it off, but it requires registry tweaking. So, and you know, I would agree to a point for some people that actually never use it, that an on-off switch, a general on-off switch for Cortana would be, I think, a really good idea. And you know, if you don't use it, why not have an on-off switch? You can turn Cortana off, and you know, and I think that would also maybe help a little bit in the privacy settings with a lot of people going a little crazy on the privacy in Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.